Hey you all, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by and checking out this video. I hope you all are doing well. I hope your families are doing well, and I hope you're living your best blessed life, you all. So today I have a collaboration video with Tikhubs. They sent me over a purse and wanted me to unbox it, review it, look at it, share it with you guys, give you guys a discount in case you like what you see and you want one for yourself, or you just want to go on their website and browse around and look around. They have some really nice stuff. I will be scrolling up some of their pictures and just some things that's on the website. They have shoes, clothes, jewelry, purses, accessories like watches. Well, watches are part of jewelry, sunglasses and stuff like that. So without further ado, we are going to get into this bag. I want to thank Tikhubs for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it so much. I am a bag lover, so this is right up my alley, y'all. This is right up my alley, y'all. So, and they have a really nice discount for you guys. They are offering 20% off, and I will put the discount code right here. Also, everything will be in the description box below. The link to this purse, the description of this purse. Once you click on it, you'll get the description of this purse and the discount code. So, ooh, sliding it out, y'all. It came wrapped really nice. Came wrapped really nice, you guys. Oh, I got a shopping bag. I got the Gucci shopping bag. Love that. Ooh. Let's see. Pretty big. Oh yeah, this is pretty big. Love that. I love that. Gucci shopping bag. Woohoo! So I'm guessing this is a Gucci purse. Yes, I believe I picked this one out. So, ooh, a lot of nice wrapping. So your stuff will come packaged really, really well. So let's get this out of this packaging. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day so far. Ooh. And it's in a nice little dust bag. Nice. A nice dust bag. Okay. And some more wrapping. Some more wrapping, y'all. Ooh. Okay, let's get this out of the package. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh. Ooh, sorry for the noise, you guys, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is the Gucci tote bag. I'm going to, well, let's look at the handles. Let me take this off. Should come off easily. Should come off easily. Oh boy. This is not coming off too easily, but could be just me. Wait, okay, the way I'm tearing it off. Because I'm like, usually these things come off easily. Let's see. You could go on there and get some really good gifts for Christmas coming up, you guys, or somebody's anniversary, somebody's birthday, Mother's Day. Oh my goodness. Nice handles. That's the back of the bag. With the Gucci symbols on it. Actually, it's all over the bag. Let me try to open this up some more. Oh wow, I'm loving this. I am loving this. I'm trying to see if I can put something in here to try to fill it out on the bottom. Let me see. Because it's been wrapped for a while. I've had this for a little bit now, but I wasn't able to get to the video due to my surgery. So, let's see. Ooh, I really like this bag, y'all. Because I don't like small bags. So, oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Like I said, that's the back of it. This is the front of it with the Gucci emblem or symbol. And then I will take this stuff back out so you can see how big the bag is. The bag is pretty large on the inside. Y'all see all that space in there? Let me see, what is this right here? Oh, okay. So I would probably put my cell phone right here. It's a long compartment right there. And then you have this really big zipper right here. And okay, and then I have just some information about the bag. And you have this really nice compartment right here. And like I said, this is a magnetic closure, which just snaps. See, just snaps like that. But I love it. Thank you, Tikhubs. I'm really loving this. I'm really loving this. Thank you so much. I can't wait to rock this one. Might be rocking it on the next time I go to church, y'all. This is really nice. I really like this. The quality feels really nice. It feels like genuine leather. It really does. Of course, these are luxury purses and replicas. And so I love it. I'll put the price of how much this purse costs right here. And you can also check it out on their website. So I would advise you to go on the website, browse around. And a lot of the purse companies that I do work with, they do not give you a 20% off discount. Tikhubs is giving you guys a 20% discount. Yeah, so use it on yourself or somebody else and get you a nice bag. And these straps are strong too. I love it because I'll be packing my purses, y'all. But thank you once again, Tikhubs, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending over this Gucci tote bag, is what it's called, a Gucci tote bag. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I will have all of the information in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all. Go be kind to someone. Continue to live your best blessed life. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.